Hey everyone, welcome back to our APIGURU channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Damien Tone here. On this channel we share everything you need to know about APIs. Today we will explore how to provide an outstanding developer experience to drive API adoption. Let's get started. In the age of API-driven businesses, organizations leverage APIs to transform their operations and drive growth. APIs not only power new business channels, allowing companies to reach customers innovatively, but they also facilitate the creation of robust ecosystems that encourage collaboration and integration across various platforms. By embracing an API-first approach, businesses can accelerate innovation, enabling teams to experiment and deploy new solutions more rapidly. This approach also increases IT productivity, as developers can build on existing functionalities rather than starting from scratch. Moreover, APIs play a crucial role in delivering seamless omnichannel customer experiences, ensuring that users receive consistent and engaging interactions, whether they are using a mobile app, website, or other digital platforms. In this dynamic landscape, harnessing the power of APIs is essential for any organization looking to thrive and stay competitive. As demand for innovation grows, enterprises must quickly engage top developers through a seamless experience. But what are the best strategies for fostering that engagement? The first step is creating great API products that prioritize developers' needs and keep improving rather than delivering them as a one-time project. However, this is only the beginning. The real challenge is attracting and engaging developers to leverage your APIs to build innovative applications and drive API adoption. Beyond outstanding API products, great developer experiences require a well-designed developer portal and comprehensive developer enablement. The developer portal is the storefront for driving adoption and providing resources and support to succeed with your APIs. Developers are your customers. Whether your APIs are intended for internal teams, external users, or partner integrations, developers are the actual consumers of your APIs. Understanding this perspective is essential for crafting an effective strategy that meets their needs. Your API products require a storefront. Like any product in a competitive marketplace, your APIs need a dedicated platform where consumers can quickly discover, learn about, and adopt your offerings. A well-structured storefront ensures developers find the information they need promptly and efficiently, paving the way for successful integration. The developer portal serves as that storefront. A great developer experience begins with seamless onboarding, allowing users to register and access your APIs without unnecessary hurdles. From there, a quick path to creating a Hello World application is crucial. This initial success helps build confidence and encourages developers to explore further. Beyond onboarding, a robust developer portal should provide comprehensive resources including clear documentation, tutorials, and sample code. Additionally, it should offer easy access to support channels where developers can seek help and share insights. Whether through community forums, chat support, or dedicated resources, having a strong support system is vital for addressing challenges and ensuring a positive experience. By prioritizing these elements, recognizing developers as your customers, providing a compelling storefront, and offering a seamless onboarding experience, you create an engaging environment that fosters innovation and drives API adoption. This holistic approach enhances developer satisfaction and strengthens the overall value of your API products in the market. Most enterprise companies require a centralized online location for their API catalog tailored explicitly for internal developers. Externalizing API products for partners and other developers offers significant advantages for our clients, particularly regarding reusability. Organizations can promote a design philosophy centered around reuse, streamline administration, and present a cohesive corporate image by creating a single storefront for all developers. A developer portal equips you with the essential tools to create a world-class developer experience. API platforms like APIGURU offer an out-of-the-box developer portal that includes a comprehensive catalog of APIs and detailed documentation. They also provide self-service options for onboarding developers and fostering engagement. A successful storefront for developer engagement involves several key considerations. First and foremost, acquiring developers is essential. The developer portal must capture the attention of the developer community and guide them through getting started with your API products. The developer portal serves as the storefront for your API products, so the product catalog should be compelling. Comprehensive and clear documentation is crucial for facilitating quick adoption. Additionally, ensure that the onboarding process is seamless. The easier developers can register and obtain an API key, the faster they can build their applications, which is vital for driving adoption. Finally, ongoing maintenance and support are critical for your storefront and API consumers. If developers have questions about using your API products, provide a forum or support system to address their inquiries. Let's explore some of these concepts in more detail. Follow the 5-5-5 rule for developer acquisition. Grab their attention in the first 5 seconds, build interest in the next 5 seconds, and make a compelling case within 5 minutes. Start by captivating their attention with a visually stunning storefront. Design an API catalog with thorough documentation to ensure clarity and ease of understanding. Next, articulate a strong value proposition to encourage developers to use your APIs. Create a Getting Started page with a step-by-step guide to effectively working with your APIs. Highlight customer success stories to inspire creativity and showcase the potential of your APIs. Lastly, foster engagement by hosting hackathons where developers can collaborate and innovate. To attract developers, it's essential to provide valuable resources even before they register. Start with comprehensive API product documentation that clearly explains functionalities and use cases. Offer sample code including request and response examples to give developers a clear understanding of how to implement your APIs. Additionally, provide libraries, SDKs, and technical references to streamline the integration process. Tutorials that guide developers through everyday tasks can further enhance their experience and encourage them to explore your API offerings. Once developers are interested, ensure the registration process is smooth and efficient. Minimize the information required to sign up, removing unnecessary barriers that could deter potential consumers. Simplify the registration workflow to make it intuitive and user-friendly. Once developers are registered, empower them with self-service options to request API keys. Automatically approve access to low-risk APIs in sandbox environments, immediately making them productive. This approach enables developers to experiment and build without barriers. For APIs that provide access to sensitive data and critical business functionality and may require due diligence and background checks, optimizing these processes is essential to ensure that it will not delay the developers' applications go live. Once your storefront is up and running, investing in ongoing support and maintenance is crucial. Regularly update your documentation to ensure it remains accurate and relevant. Additionally, establish online forums, maintain a blog, and curate a list of frequently asked questions to help minimize support requests and enhance the developer experience. Treat your online storefront like a retail channel with dedicated resources to keep it a vibrant and engaging community. This commitment fosters developer loyalty and encourages collaboration and innovation within your API ecosystem. Your API consumers are essential to your success. Adopt an API-first approach that prioritizes their needs, ensuring that engaging with your company is effortless and intuitive. By focusing on the developer experience, you can create meaningful connections and drive greater adoption of your APIs. Make your API catalog and documentation publicly available for non-registered users. This transparency allows potential users to explore your offerings and understand the value of your APIs. Ensure that private APIs are hidden from public view to maintain security and confidentiality. Consider what developer information you want to collect during registration, as this can help tailor your communication and support efforts. Decide between auto-approval or manual approval processes for new registrations, balancing security and efficiency. Present your terms and conditions during registration to ensure developers are informed about usage policies. Implement an authentication mechanism to secure access to your APIs. Once registered, determine what resources developers can access. Provide clear pathways to relevant documentation, tools, and support materials. Create an application process for developers to request API keys, ensuring they understand the process and the requirements. Again, based on your security needs, decide between auto-approval or manual approval for API key requests. Enable developers to test their applications in a non-production environment. This hands-on experience allows them to familiarize themselves with your APIs without the risk of impacting live systems. Provide separate API keys for non-production and production environments to ensure clear distinctions and better manage access levels. Following these best practices can create a more engaging and effective developer experience that encourages adoption and fosters innovation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and let me know what you think or if you have any questions in the comments. Look out for our next video in which we will share best practices for managing and building outstanding API products.